Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. Again, I'm really glad to seeing you here at our streaming before the market openings. Today we will go through the pre-market scenarios we would like to trade, and you can make money with us, or you can learn from the techniques we are using as a professional traders. Fast introduction. My name again is Marek. I've been trading stocks, futures, cryptocurrencies, and forex more than 2 years. Full time as a trader, as a self-directed trader. Now I am working in a team called Trading Academy. We have people who are experienced. 10 years in trading on in proprietary firms and very like skilled people trading clients' money and so much good being here. In that case, today we will like to again share with you the profitable scenarios you can learn from, and also you can go to our webinar if you will be interested in our strategy called Horizon X. Our strategy is unique. We trade forex and stocks with that, also cryptocurrencies. Very specific system for other markets. We are trading just interesting or functional patterns. So if you are interested going to our webinar, just hit the link below the video and this stream, and after filling the form, you will be invited to our webinar. Our webinar is interactive. We will go to more deeply. We will go into our patterns, into our nuances, and you can learn from that, of course. Also, if you are more interested or not sure about our system, you can go to our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, where you can find very valuable content. We put there weekly or daily results, our trades breakdown, and trading scenarios with real money, always with real money. So it's really interesting, and you can see how it is possible to make money on the markets. And we would like to encourage people to be more aware about the financial markets and what they offer, because it is a pity if you are interested in some kind of field but you don't have knowledge how to use it in real markets. For example, I know people who are good at cryptocurrency field from technical point of view, but they do not know how to trade it. In the end, it's a pity. So this is our mission, to help people to be more aware about that, and also my main goal is to show people that it is possible to make a living from trading, a really good living. So let's go direct to our markets, and please put your question into the stream, and I will be happy to check it, and we will uh, we can make it this more interactive. So definitely I am looking forward to seeing your question in the chat. So let's switch uh, to the stream, and first of all we need to check the S&P 500, what we are expecting for today. So let's switch to actual time frame. And in the end, you see that we are in correction after this impulsive movement I will show you, and what we are anticipating in general. For me, S&P 500 is still bullish, of course, and so we are testing this important support in the moment, as you can see. And in that case, uh, we are still waiting for let's say I think long scenario. Yesterday I was scalping Nasdaq. This is the similar, let's say, context of that, and I got stop loss in long after opening, but then I shorted and make profit from that. Uh, Now today I believe that in few days we should go up in that case, and it should have positive effect on stocks market. So definitely really interesting uh, area in the moment for opening longs or seeing some really nice timing with our horizon systems. Also, good fundamentals behind, as mentioned. The main is that Fed and ECB are going to support the economy in case of some crisis, and they would like to stimulate the economy, which is usually good for stock markets and stock indexes. So for us, this is our scenario. Of course, if the stock index is not able to hold above this level, which is less probable, then we can speculate on short. But in our scenario, this is not much probable in that case. Okay, I will just check the questions and then we will move to the stocks. Perfect, no stock so far. So let's check uh, the stock market and fundamentals behind. Today we have a lot of earnings, as you see. For today, we would like to trade. We select few companies only, but we have ACN, APOG, and many companies. And from yesterday, we select also company KB Home. I will just show you here because of liquidity of the stock. In that case, we would like to check this stock as first. What I like particularly about this that stock. Okay, we've seen that the company reported positive earnings in that case, and we are working with this key support level. If market or if the stock is going to open above the level and there will be volume up, definitely a long scenario, and we would like to wait with our pattern for timing. In that case, we would like to join the movement and speculate probably for that refreshment. In that case, if stock is not able to hold this level, which is key again for today, meaning that we can anticipate some sell-off in that case, and in that case, be prepared also for the scenario. We do not trade the information prior, but we trade what markets do always. And if we have positive catalyst in that case, which is supporting our order flow scenario, in that case, we would like to definitely go with that. Let's look also at 15 minutes time frame, and as mentioned, the stock looks very well. We have this trend line, which is still respected before open. So really interesting scenario for opening. We have just 5 minutes till the open. Check this stock. Be prepared to trade it. A really interesting stock for today. Another stock we selected is ACN. I'm just waiting for information from stream. Perfect. So ACN. As mentioned, ACN is today we have this ACN is trading today with positive actual report, meaning a little bit above consensus. I would not expect big movement in this case, but if you look from 1 day time frame, the stock is just traded with this gap, meaning that we could see some rebounds again because of positive scenario, and in that case, we would like to trade it intraday levels, as you see here. So definitely a nice stock to trade, and also we can use this interesting support level for our longing scenario. But if the stock is not able to hold above that level with volume, then I would anticipate probably a correction again to the downside. Let's look at another stock, and I selected different one and not based on a report, but this one is Genix. So Genix opened with a nice gap here, and we've seen positive. news about the Genex uh, because this pre-market 22% up move in the pre-market is based on response. Uh, it is the response to its announcement that it expects to resubmit its US marketing application next month for Fintipla and for the treatment of seizures and which is associated with a severe type of epilepsy called Dravet syndrome. So really interesting information for Zogenix in that case, and definitely interesting scenario for longing or shorting, depends what market will do after the opening. Sorry, the stock what will do after opening, but in that case, let's look at 15-minute time frame, like to see, and in the moment we see big sell-off before open, so definitely check this stock again and prepare your levels, intraday levels, and try to trade because we can expect some volatility in that case. Very interesting information for trading. Let's look at another one. I would like to select CAG, Congara Brands, and again, let's look at 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame seems a little bit bearish because in that case we broke this important support level. But let's wait for the opening. Let's wait for rebounds. In that case, that the stock is able to refresh its support here, now its resistance, then we can speculate on the down move or breaking this level and up with the volume we would like to go up. I don't know what will happen in the moment, but if you look at fundamental news of CAG, you see that there was actually bad catalyst, disappointing earnings in that case. So more probable scenario, of course, based on the catalyst is shorting, but definitely we must wait again on. We must wait for all the flow of of the trading of that stock. So we are just 1 minute till opening the stock markets. So I will just check your question if there is. Okay, if there is no question, I would like to share with you last stock I would like to trade today, and it's very interesting for me. And it is Lyft. Still, it is kind of IPO. We can only long it. So in that case, I am counting with this interesting resistance level, and we have really good catalyst because of uh, let's say autonomous Waymo vehicles in Arizona, which are going to join Lyft application. So it is linked to Google. Very interesting catalyst for this stock in the moment, and definitely check this stock also for trading today. And also we have this important level. Uh, Really interesting, nice scenario, high probabilities, good risk reward ratio. So for me, this is all today. Again, thank you for watching, and just very briefly, if you are interested in our trading styles, stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies, just go to our webinar. Again, smash the link below the video, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar. It is interactive. You can ask there any question you want, and we will be happy to seeing you there and answering your questions. Also, the webinar is very interactive, as mentioned, and deeper. We can go more into the nuances of the system, and we would like to help you in that case. Also, if you are more familiar with general stuff and you would like to just wait a little bit and see how professionals are trading, just go to our social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, when you can find our trades breakdowns, weekly results with again breakdowns of real trades with real money, daily scenarios from various markets, cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, futures. really interesting information for you, I believe. And with us, you will get the best insight, best opportunities in general in or on the all markets. So definitely don't miss this and subscribe right now. And of course, if you had any question or if you have any question after the stream, please put your question into the comment section and I believe we will, or I'm sure that we will answer your question as soon as possible. And please share it with anybody who think or you think that the person would find this content valuable or could help him or help her. So this is all really for today, and let's go trading. Let's smash the stocks in the moment.